So I'm currently working on this 1978 Honda PA50, and I'm actually having a problem that's fairly common to mopeds, so I figured why not make a video. I'm actually having a problem with the carburetor, infamous gas leak. So instead of buying a rebuild kit, I found this $18 clone carburetor for this exact bike. Let's see if this thing is worth the $18. To the carburetor looks harder than it is. All it is one bolt that attaches the frame to the motor. You just have to remove that, and don't forget to take off all your cables and even your spark plug boot. With all of that removed, all you have to do is lift up the front end of that bike so you have enough room to get in there and get that carburetor out. And you definitely don't want to forget to undo the current throttle cable. Now, just take off the 4 bolts that are holding the intake and carburetor in place, and simply just wiggle this thing out. Putting them side by side, I have to say, as complicated as a carburetor this is an extremely good match. So we're just going to go ahead, take off all of our attachments on the original carburetor, and just simply put it on the new carb, making no adjustments. And let's see how well this thing runs. Oh, wow. Wow. All right. Choke off. Might not need that choke. No way that just worked like that. Bro, no way. Guys, that started so easy. That's insane that worked so well. I gotta take this thing for a ride and I gotta see how it actually performs, because that's ridiculous. It took no effort to get it running. Yeah, let's see how this thing runs now. And so, yeah, I mean, as you guys can see, I didn't make any adjustments, and this thing is running as fast as it should when it first came off the assembly line. I added a pipe. I am going to be doing another YouTube series on this bike, but I just kind of wanted to see if this carburetor would work, and maybe it'll help you guys too. So with that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out all the rest of my other content.